Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the layers of corporate filings to reveal the real story. Today we're diving into Kinder Morgan's latest announcement, and boy do we have some news about their upcoming investor event. So what are we looking at here? This is a current report filed by Kinder Morgan Incorporated, often called KME. It is basically a heads up to investors when something important happens that the public needs to know about. Think of it as a company's way of saying, hey, listen up, something new is going on. The big date for this report is the 4th of December 2025. This is when Kinder Morgan is letting everyone know about their upcoming plans. Kinder Morgan is a pretty big player in the energy infrastructure world. They own and operate pipelines and terminals for things like natural gas oil and carbon dioxide, so they are a key part of how energy gets around the country. Here we see some official company details like where they are incorporated, which is Delaware, and their various identification numbers with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the CAC, and the IRS. These are important for official records, but not our main focus for today. This table shows us what sort of things Kinder Morgan has registered to be traded on the stock exchange. Most importantly, we see their Class P common stock traded under the ticker symbol KMI on the New York Stock Exchange. The NYSE. Now let's get to the juicy part, the actual news they are sharing. This section tells us about a regulation called Regulation FD, or Fair Disclosure. It basically means that when a company shares important information with some people, they have to share it with everyone at the same time. So this filing is part of making sure everything is fair and transparent. Kinder Morgan Maya announced that some of their top people will be at the Wells Fargo Energy and Power Symposium. This is a big event where energy companies talk about their business and their future plans with investors and analysts. It is happening on the 9th of December 2025. This is a chance for them to really highlight what they are doing and where they are headed. They are also telling us that any presentation materials used during the symposium will be available on KMI's website before the event even starts. This is great for those of us who want to get a head start on understanding their message. And for anyone who cannot attend in person or even be near a computer, the presentation will be broadcast live as an audio webcast. You can listen in live or catch up later through an on-demand recording. This is a fantastic opportunity for everyone to hear directly from Kinder Morgan's leadership. The recorded webcast will stay available for a good 6 months after the event. This gives you plenty of time to go back and review the information if you miss something or if you want to revisit key points. Finally, we see the signature from David P. Michels, the Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. This confirms that the information in this report is officially authorized by the company's leadership. It is always good to see the finance chief signing off. So what does this filing really mean for us as investors or observers of the market? It is a signal that Kinder Morgan is actively engaging with the financial community. They are using this symposium to talk about their business and their affairs. This suggests they are either announcing new strategies updating on existing ones, or perhaps sharing some positive developments. The fact that they are making the materials and the webcast readily available shows confidence and a desire to communicate openly. Now, while this specific filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables like a quarterly or annual report, it directs us to where those discussions will happen. The Wells Fargo Energy and Power Symposium is a prime venue for understanding Kinder Morgan's financial health and future outlook. We would expect them to discuss things like their pipeline volumes, their project development, and their overall profitability. Even without the numbers in front of us, this announcement tells us that the conversation about Kinder Morgan's financial performance is about to get serious. Looking at Kinder Morgan's position in the market, they are in a crucial sector. The demand for energy and the infrastructure to move it is fundamental. However, they also face risks related to regulatory changes, environmental concerns, and fluctuations in commodity prices. Their strategy likely involves expanding their network, adapting to new energy sources, and managing these risks effectively. This upcoming symposium is their platform to reassure investors and the market that they are navigating these challenges and capitalizing on opportunities. In my opinion, this filing is a proactive move by Kinder Morgan to control the narrative. By announcing their participation and the availability of materials, they are setting the stage for a focused discussion on their strengths and future prospects. It is a good sign when a company is eager to share its story and engage with its stakeholders. We should be paying close attention to what is said on the 9th of December, as it could offer significant insights into the company's direction and value. Alright, that is our quick look at Kinder Morgan's latest announcement and what it signals for upcoming discussions. What do you think about this upcoming investor event? Are you planning to tune in? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And don't forget to join our Discord community for more discussions and insights linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.